Very good morning to the little angels of class 1. Today we are going to begin with our EVS class in first standard. Today is your first class of EVS, and so we are going to begin with chapter number 1. The name of the unit is We and Our Body, and the name of the chapter that we will do today is About Us. So children, in this chapter, do you know what we are going to learn? We are going to learn about our own selves. हम आज अपने ही बारे में पढ़ेंगे. Let us get started. In the starter activity, it says, make an identity card for yourself. Do you know what an identity card is? Identity card is what you always have on your uniform when you go to school. An identity card has so many details like your name and your class and your school's name, your address, your photograph. So let us make an identity card. I'm going to make an identity card for one child in front of you, and then at home you can make your own identity cards. So here I am writing the name of the student, Amit Bajaj. Amit is in class 1, section A. Name of the school is Jai Bharti Public School. Home address 123 Sundarnagar, Meerut. Then here we can paste Amit's photograph, and wow, the card will be made. Isn't it wonderful? So let us now proceed with the next part of our chapter. Children, we are humans. Each one of us is different in many ways. You are different. I am different. All of us have different facial features. My eyes and your eyes are not the same. Your nose and my nose cannot be the same. We also have different fingerprints. Our hobbies are different. Our different qualities make us special. Maybe one child can sing very well, other child can play cricket very well, another child can do very good drawing. So we are all different. Each one of us has some special quality, and no one in the world is exactly like us. So we are all different. Children, do you know that what is your birthday? Of course, you have celebrated your birthday so many times. But do you know what does birthday mean? Birthday means that If today is your birthday, that means you were born on the same date as today. So the day you were born is known as your birthday. Let us talk about different moods. I am going to show you some pictures in your book. So let us open the book. Children, you can see three small boys here. How do you think they are feeling? This boy, how is he feeling? Happy or sad? What about this one? What about this one? Are they all feeling the same? No, they are not. He is happy. He is sad. And he is so angry. Children, sometimes do you also feel happy, sad, or angry? In different situations, we feel and behave differently. Some activities make us very happy. Some make us sad. Some make us angry. We should always try to keep a happy face. Let us talk about our favorite things. Something is sometimes it's better for us. We like some things more than the others. These things become our favorite things, and we do or want such things for our happiness. Different people have different happy favorite things. Okay, some children have a favorite hobby to dance. Some children, their favorite time pass is to make paintings and drawings. And some children just love to play games. Children, let us recall what we have learned in this chapter. Each one of us is so special. Different situations make us feel different. Something that we like the most of all is called our favorite thing. Different people have different favorite things. It was a nice chapter, isn't it? I'm now going to end this lesson. Goodbye, everybody. I'll meet you the next time when we do chapter 2. Thank you and have a great day.